Welcome to Teen Tip Tuesday, demonstrating everyday life skills. The more we know, the better we live. Brought to you by OSU Extension.
A demonstration could be on almost anything. What are you most passionate about? What are your hobbies? I'm sure you're thinking of one right now. Planning is key. The topic should be interesting to you and your audience. Your demonstration could consist of an introduction, body, and a closing. Introduction should be clear and interesting. Do not reintroduce yourself. Get right into your presentation. The body is the main part of your demonstration. You should explain all steps and points in chronological order. Each step should be clearly explained. When closing the demonstration, you always ask if there is any questions. This is very important. Practice your demonstration until you feel comfortable and confident. Your appearance is always important. You should appear neat and clean, but not overdone. Clothing should be appropriate for your type of demonstration that you are doing. You should be well groomed and remember to stand properly. Some tips are as follows. Select a topic that you know well and find interesting. Develop one main idea or practice to share. Use an outline to help you organize the idea or practice into 3 to 7 points or steps that can be explained or shown. Secure the material and equipment needed to organize and avoid clutter. Dress appropriately for the activity being demonstrated. Check your material and equipment before you give the demonstration. Make letters on charts large enough for all to read. Use a catchy introduction that will get the attention of the audience. Take your time and speak clearly, looking at your audience. Show how each step is done so everyone can see. Keep your materials orderly, and when you are finished with something, place it out of the way. Practice the demonstration with your family or friends who you will give suggestions for improvement. Smile and enjoy yourself, but avoid chewing gum, placing your hands in your pockets, or fiddling with the equipment. At the end, review your points and steps and ask for questions. Thank you for watching.